Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today is Monday, so this is a new week, and I'm in on a trade run right now. So let me show you guys. Understand? I've taken a buy trade on GBPUSD, so let me show you the trade. Yo guys, today, I already told you guys that today is Monday. Yeah, so this is the chart and this is the trade I've taken, right? So guys, this is the trade I have taken. So like I said, it's a trade on GBPUSD. You can see it here, and then I'm selling GBPUSD. Before I said I was buying, yeah, that buy trade, like I saw that it was not really going well, so I decided to change my bias. It happens. So I decided to sell this time around instead of buying. Why? Simply because you can see it clearly here. I don't even know why I bought. You understand? I don't even know why I bought. Because to be honest with you, I wanted to sell at first. Then all of a sudden I was like, let me buy, because this DPPS is sometimes when you want to do one thing, it will do another thing. So that's why I bought. But to be honest with you guys, I didn't want to buy at first. I wanted to sell. And let me show you the reason why I wanted to sell. So you can see here that this is a low the last low that price broke before going down. You understand? Before going, like, keeping on going down. So you can see it here. So this is the last low that price broke here. So when price broke it here, it came down to this point. You failed to take out this low because it's supposed to take it out, but you failed to take it out, and then it's now going back up. You understand? So I'm guessing that this low is now acting as a resistance level, and I'm targeting this next low here, down here. But see, it's still misbehaving. You can never tell with this market. You can never tell. But yeah, I'm in this trade right now. So yes, let's just see what it does. This is where my SL is sitting at, and this is where my TP is sitting at as well. So let's just see what market is going to do for us this week. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. And then you can see this is like trend line wise, this is first touch, second touch, and then the third touch. So yeah, that's why I'm taking this trade. Let's see how it goes. This is the trade I've taken earlier this morning. I showed you guys a sell on GBPUSD. I was expecting it to take out this low, but unfortunately I'm so pissed out right now. I'm so pissed off. Sorry, I'm very pissed off because of I'm expecting price to take out this low here, and price didn't take it out, and then it's now heading back up. You understand? So I was forced to take profit around here. So I took profit here. To price at one time, price came down to this point. You understand? Like, it came down all the way here, all the way down here. So if I should check it, price came down like 42 pips in my favor, but I was off the chart. You understand? I was not checking the chart, so I lost. You understand? Like, I did not lose, but I missed out on an opportunity to make better than this. And me staying away from the charts is also a very good way of me trading, because I don't know if you guys noticed, but lately I've been closing trades on my own. You understand? I don't allow trades to play out anymore. I just close them based off my feelings and my emotions. So me staying away from the charts is one of the best ways of me trading, because I couldn't have made this profit if I was like looking at the chart all the time. You understand? So it's a it's a good way for me to go about, for like when it comes to the market, like staying away from the charts. Yeah. But the downside of it is, like, for sometimes you can also close on time. Like, when you see a good reversal, like, you can close on time. Like this one now, I could have made $40, but I made $20. You understand? I will put the profit here so you guys can see it. I made $20 instead of making $40 because price came down up to this point. But unfortunately I wasn't on the chart. But yeah, I think I'm going to keep doing that. Yeah, I'm going to keep staying off the chart. I think that's the best way to trade. I think that's even the way that took me up to this point, to this 2%. That's how I was trading before. So I'm just going to go back to how I was trading before. Yeah, I'm going to, like, take trades and they'll forget about them. Yeah. So for some times, and I'll also put reasonable TP and itself. So yeah. So good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday. I think so. I think today is Wednesday. Let me check first. Yeah. So today is Tuesday, the 8th of July, and I've taken a trade currently on the BPUSD. Yeah, I've taken a trade on the BPUSD. So let me show you. Let me show you exactly where I entered. So I entered around here, okay, and then my stop loss is around this place here, around here, and then my TP is here, okay. So sorry, so this is like not exactly like this, not looking exactly like this. This is where my TP, my SL is sitting at, yeah, and then my TP is sitting here, around here, okay. So that's like how many pips? What's going on? Wow, I've never seen price move like this before. But yeah, this is it. You know, this is the previous high. You understand? The previous high, when price broke this high, price has not come down. Yeah, this is the last high price broke, and price kept going up all the way up to this point here. So now price is going to come back here and retest this level. You understand? After it has broken the level, it will come and retest it. That's why I decided to put my TP here around this place here. You understand? So that's why the reason why I've taken this trade and I put my TP here. But still, I'm going to put my an alert around this place. I don't know, but let me just leave it like that. I don't like alerts. You know why? Because sometimes when I set alert, it will make me exit my positions. You understand? And I don't really like it. You understand? So when I'm taking a trade, I'm taking a trade. If I don't want to take the trade, I should not take the trade. I don't want all those things that has to do with alerts and all of that. So yeah, let me go down to the 15-minute time frame, so you can see that I've taken this trade and I put my SL above this line here, above those weak rejections. So yeah, that's the trade. Yeah. So I'm just going to update you guys later in the evening. You understand? Whatever price does, you'll be updated. Alright, see you. So guys, this is the trade I've taken. Yeah. This afternoon I've taken the trade. So this is the result of the trade, guys. It's very, very painful. Time is 12 now, so this is 12 o'clock. So this is already Wednesday. You understand? And I'm checking the trade and stop loss it. You understand? So there's one thing I would like to tell you guys, that I don't understand what happened, because based on my predictions, market does whatever it wants, right? So that's the theory. But how can market retreat like this? Like, I don't understand. Like, there's nothing that made it go back up. Like, which kind of market behavior is this? What level did it touch that it reversed? Like, I don't even understand. This is where I was expecting price to drop at before going back up. But here price has gone up like without even reaching a key level. Like, no explanation, just went up like that. So guys, it came down, like it gave me like 39 pips and then decided to go back up. You understand? So SL it because I wasn't on the chart. Me, I'm that kind of trader. I can't just watch the price action. I can't watch it. If I was able to watch price action to monitor my trades, yeah, I can make a lot of money. You understand? If I can just monitor my trades without letting fear interfere, I can make a lot of money. You understand? But it's just that I can't. That's why I decided to stay off the charts now, and I'm coming back to check, and price has gone in my favor. But because I wasn't on the chart, I wasn't able to close it. You understand? Because at 39 pips,
Like, why would I not close it? You understand? But because I already set a TP and I'm not on the chart, price came around 39.50 and reversed, went up. You understand? So that's just it, man. I don't know what to do, because even if I wanted to put an alert, where will I put the alert? Just think about it. Where will I put the alert now? Let's say this is my TP and I want to put an alert to a place where if price gets to and then it's trying to reverse, I can like get notified and come quickly and check. Let's say I put the alert here now. That means I will never get the alert and price will still reverse. You understand? So I don't know. Break even is not really what me I want to be doing, because when you break even, price action is like you have to give it room. You have to give it room to play out. You understand? So if you keep breaking even, it's not really going to help. So I don't know what to do at this point anymore. I think all I have to do now is to stick to what I want to do. I am trying to do, yeah. I put my GP, I put my SL, and then I will let it play out. If he wants to stop me out, let it stop me out. You know, that's the only thing I can do now, because I'm tired. Like, I'm very tired, like where I am now. I can't keep doing this, man.
So guys, this trade is very simple. The trade I've taken is very simple, yeah. So let me go to the 1 hour time frame. So I took my entry. Don't mind this sell key or sell whatever they call it. But let me show you what I've taken, the trade I've taken. So it's a buy trade. I bought here. I bought around here. You understand? And my SL is around here. You understand? And my take profit is 50 pips or be 40 pips. I can't even remember anymore. I think it's 50 pips up here. So that's the trade I've taken, and I'm running $10 now currently. So the reason why I've taken this trade is very simple, yeah, very 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 simple. This is the first bounce of the trend line. This is the second bounce. So on the third bounce of the trend line, I decided to buy. You understand? Because that's how I trade trend lines. So it's going to break this downward trend line to change of character. You understand? So that's the reason why I decided to take this buy trade, and I'm going to hold until tomorrow London session. You understand? Until it hits my SL or my whatever. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm going to update you guys.
First floor.
So what's up, guys? This is me, and today is Wednesday. I think today is Wednesday, right? Let me check quickly. Yeah, today is Wednesday, and I went outside. Yeah, I just came back, and you know, I'm kind of tired. Yeah, I've taken a trade, so I'll show you the trade right now. I'll show you the trade. I've taken that trade around 4 or 3. I think 3, around 3. So I'll show you the trade, and it's running now. So whatever it does, I'm going to update you guys. So I decided to take the trade because of like a trend line bounce. So let me show you guys. Yo guys, what's up? How you guys doing? Today is Thursday, and I've taken you remember the trade I've taken yesterday, right? So that trade, I got it, like I took profit, you understand, around $20. So $20 profit, and I've taken profit because the market doesn't know me anything. It went in profit in my favor yesterday. It retraced, it came back at break even, but you guys know that I don't fuck with break even no more. So I decided to just let it play out. Then today, when I woke up in the morning, I saw the price was up 13%. So I was like, okay, let me take profit, because it can just retrace and go against me all of a sudden. So I can't just allow price to just melt down after it has already given me all the profit I want. So I decided to take profit because the market doesn't owe me anything, and I don't owe anything to the market. You understand? So when I see profit, I just take it. You understand what I'm saying? So yeah, that's one thing. So I've taken profit, and now I'm just I haven't seen any opportunity. You understand? I'm just laying low for now. But yeah, but there's one thing I learned from all of this is that, guys, you have to understand that in trading you have to be willing to lose something. You understand? And that's one of the reasons why I took this $20 profit today. I was willing to lose the amount because if I was the former Emmanuel, I would have been like, okay, because prices are break even, let me just break even because I don't want to take the risk to lose. You understand? But now I understand that stop loss. People say, "Oh, I have my stop loss at this level. I have my stop loss at that level," but they don't actually want to lose that money, man. They don't want to lose it. You understand? Because why when price is hitting people's stop loss, they feel down? Because they actually don't want to lose that money. You understand? They are taking a risk that they are not sure of. But now I change my mindset, man. I know that I'm taking a trade. If I'm taking a trade, I want to lose that money. You understand? Before I enter that trade, I want to lose the money. It's not like I'm risking the money. I want to lose it. So the market should either give me profit or take the money away. But I don't want that money unless it's more 2 times of that money or 3 times of that money. But if it's not 2 or 3 times of the money, I don't want the money. I just want to lose it. If you have that mentality, I think you are going to be profitable. But anyways, guys, that's just it. If I see another opportunity, I'm going to let you guys know, and then I'm going to also put the pictures of the profit and all of that, all of those good things here on the screen for you guys to see. But until then, I'll catch you later, guys. Peace. So what's up, guys? I just want to tell you guys that my account balance was at $115 earlier today. Yeah. Then I saw an opportunity like around this afternoon, and I decided to take a trade. So the trade hit my SL. So I'm going to put the picture around here on the screen. You guys are going to see it. But yeah, I've taken a trade and I risked like $20. So I lost everything. So my account balance is now going to be like $95. You understand? I'm still down. You understand what I'm saying? So till next week. But anyways, guys, I'm no longer in that mindset of not wanting to lose and all of that. My account is destined to be lost or to be to make profit on. So whatever happens. You understand? I don't want to be emotionally tied to that account anymore. So yeah, that's how it is. So I'm gonna catch you guys next week. So peace and tweets. Bye bye. Ciao.